Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary convenience with the best hand mixer reviews. Whether you're a novice baker or a seasoned chef, finding the perfect mixer can elevate your kitchen experience. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts on these indispensable kitchen tools. Let's mix it up together. Number 1. Hamilton Beach's 6-speed electric hand mixer with whisk delivers unparalleled convenience and versatility in the kitchen. With traditional beaters and dough hooks, this 275-watt powerhouse makes whipping up a variety of recipes a breeze. Its snap-on storage case ensures all attachments are neatly organized and always within reach. The vibrant red color adds a pop of personality to any countertop. Whether you're blending batter or kneading dough, the 6-speed settings provide precise control for perfect results every time. Say goodbye to hand fatigue thanks to its comfortable grip handle. Elevate your baking game with the Hamilton Beach hand mixer. It's a must-have for any aspiring chef or seasoned pro. Number 2. KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer KHM 512 in the elegant aqua sky color. This mixer is a game-changer in the kitchen, offering 5 speeds to effortlessly tackle any recipe with precision and efficiency. Whether you're whipping up delicate meringues or kneading dense dough, this mixer delivers consistent results every time. The sleek design not only looks great on your countertop but also fits comfortably in your hand for extended use. Its lightweight yet powerful motor ensures thorough mixing without straining your wrists. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the easily removable beaters and smooth surface. Elevate your baking game with the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer KHM 512, where style meets functionality. Number 3. Cuisinart HM50 Power Advantage 5-speed hand mixer in white. This kitchen powerhouse brings a new level of efficiency to your culinary adventures. With its 5-speed settings, this mixer effortlessly handles everything from delicate whipped cream to dense cookie dough. The sleek white design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use even during extended mixing sessions. The powerful motor provides consistent performance, while the easy-to-use speed control allows for precision mixing. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe beaters. Whether you're a novice baker or a seasoned chef, the Cuisinart HM50 hand mixer is sure to become your go-to tool for all your mixing needs. Number 4. Black Plus Decker's MX3200B 6-speed hand mixer is a game-changer in the kitchen. With its powerful motor and 6-speed settings, it effortlessly tackles any mixing task. The inclusion of 5 attachments ensures versatility, from whisking to kneading. What truly sets this mixer apart is its convenient storage case, keeping everything neatly organized and easily accessible. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cookies or kneading dough for homemade bread, the MX3200B delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Its ergonomic design and lightweight construction make it comfortable to use for extended periods. Say goodbye to clunky mixers cluttering your countertop. Black Plus Decker's MX3200B is the ultimate solution for all your mixing needs. Number 5. Lil Partner Hand Mixer Electric, your ultimate kitchen companion. With its powerful 400W motor and 5-speed settings, this handheld mixer effortlessly tackles any recipe with precision and ease. Whether you're whipping up fluffy cream or mixing dough for cookies, its versatile functionality ensures perfect results every time. Equipped with 5 stainless steel accessories and a convenient storage box, this mixer offers unmatched versatility and organization. Plus, its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to cumbersome cords with its corded operation, offering hassle-free maneuverability. Elevate your cooking experience with the LILPARTNER Hand Mixer Electric, the essential tool for every kitchen maestro. In conclusion, choosing the best hand mixer depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether it's power, versatility, or ease of use, there's a perfect option out there for everyone. We've explored top contenders in this video, highlighting their features and benefits to help you make an informed decision. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of hand mixers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful product reviews and tips, and be sure to like and share this video with friends who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching.